Hello, this is my first video of Danny's tutorial in single player survivor. So let's press single player. Oh, and this changes every time. We're gonna play Minecraft Jack with this. I'm gonna play a new one. Create a new one. YouTube. I did another one, but wrong, and there's progress in it, so I'm gonna do a new one. Oopsie. Survivor is like those, and so for crafting gain levels, health, and hunger, and monster. Hardcore, locked at hard and one knife only, and drug to break down doors. Creative, limited resources, free flying, and destroy blocks and sleep, but we're gonna do survival. Those bonuses, we're not gonna do it because it has things that I can start out with. Trees to get like changes to creative and like stuff like that. And we're gonna create a new one. Just loading one right now. And everything in Minecraft made out of blocks. And I'll show you see? W to walk, S to go backwards, A to go left, D to go right, space to jump. Oops, I'm glitching. Space to jump. Shift. See, you can't fall off. And right click to place blocks, and left click to break, and to hit. Sorry, cow. See, and to hit. Oh, sorry, cow. And here's a hotbar. You can scroll to get things, experience, get from monsters and mobs and stuff. I'll show you the monsters after. Let me tell you about them once we have safe place for the night. Hearts. Oh, and hunger. Here's where you can store more things. And there's our hotbar. And armor slots. We only have one hand, but this allows us to have two. Crafting or solution crafting. Let's read later. I'll show you what this is too. And this is like same with the title and options. See? No, easy and normal. I'm just gonna do normal. And see cows. Oh, there's some sheep over there. Lots of chicken. And there's also chickens and pigs. Yeah. Let's get started. Okay. Good thing we have sheep. Oh, what's in here? One space to swim. Oh, it's good. It's a good little home for night. Okay. Get some dirt. I lose sheep. We're losing sheep. Uh-oh. Let's get some wood, though. Ah, here's some wood. Oh, and double W is sprinting, but it makes your hunger go down quicker. Not quicker. Lost skeleton. No, it's not skeleton. That's not the monster house. A village. So lucky. I'll try the wait. Let's see. That's almost like village. That's what villagers are, and there's and they trade. It's amazing. I'll grab some of these just in case. Sometimes we get seeds from grass if we break them. Grab as much seeds as I can. Okay. 6, let's go to these. 9, 13. Oh, hi, Virgil. And they have their house. To get out of inventory, we press escape. And that's also how you go to that. And E is the inventory. Hey, do you want to trade? Nope. Cool. Wait, what enchantment? This interesting. 7 hours. Now worry. If the party needs seeds. Oh, what if you need seeds? Nope. You forget what type of villager you are. Nope, that's chicken. Oh, that's wrong. Not beef. Okay. Lucky me. Wait, what? What's he trading? 191. Oh, that's 14. On chickens. How much chicken? Oopsie, 1%. 14? I get 14. Oh well. Another trade of that. This. And 491. Doors of blacksmith. They have chest. Obsidian. I thought we have obsidian here. This is not bolt chest. Okay. Put this in the top almost. Obsidian. Obsidian. Don't drop it that well. What time is it? Oh. Some updates only go for 10 minutes. For the night, especially when there's crafting table. That gives you more crafting slots. Oops, come on. Okay. Just cutting it. And put this in to get planks. Oh, yeah. That's bot. What do we want to get? Oh, we want wood to get chocolate. 4 blocks of wood. Get chocolate. I have to dig straight down my craft. First one. We don't have pickaxe yet. Make one overnight. What? Good. Have a talk. Don't even be talk. Just put it home. Crafting table. Okay. Something. Make some sticks. We can make a pickaxe. And a sword. Okay. Let's get that coal. I mean, not coal. I mean, stone. Let's get stone, not coal. I mean, you can make charcoal if you burn 4 blocks of wood. Then you get sort of like coal. Yeah. Don't do it with that pickaxe. Too smart, we need 8 cobblestone to get to make harness. Good. Oh. And this is how you make a furnace. Uh-oh. That's a furnace. I don't have any to Yes, let's see. I'm gonna stop my video now.